When it comes to intimacy, the right moves go a long way. Little details can make a big difference, so why not make setup sensual? Can we do something with the lights? That's better. First, let's get electric. Literally, grab your WeVibe and charge it. Nothing kills the mood faster than a dead battery. While that's happening, it's time to turn on your Bluetooth. WeConnect uses it to control your WeVibe, so make sure your phone setting is correct. Now it's time to get down. To downloading. If you haven't already, get the WeConnect app from the App Store or Google Play. Finally, it's time to make the connection. Tap on the menu icon and select Pair WeVibe. Next, press and hold the control button on your WeVibe until you feel it pulse twice. Then, hit the Pair WeVibe button. The app will tell you when you're good to go. That's it, you're ready. See, I told you. The right moves and a little prep can make everything better.